today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Mafia 2 slow motion bug in your PC, whatever Windows version 10, 7, 8, 11. It works in all of them. So first of all you have to do is just to open your task manager, go to the search and search for task manager. You will have it like this one. And then let's wait for it to open. Wait, let's open it another time. After opening your task manager, you will have it like this one. You will see your Mafia2.exe. Just right click on your Mafia 2 and then go here to set affinity, choose set affinity, and then you have process affinity. You will have all this process checked, but what I want you to do is just to uncheck all processes, all processors. You will be like that, and then just check your CPU number 0. Click then OK here, and click apply, close your game, end task with your task manager, and then reopen your game, and this will fix your problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.